everyone, welcome back to day 17 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill and I'm so glad you're here. I cannot wait to get started opening this up and seeing what it is. Oh, let's see. Ooh, this is what I'm seeing. Missouri Star LED string lights. Okay. Yeah, not my favorite. I'm not gonna love them all though. I'm not gonna love them all, neither are you, right? All right, I'm gonna grab some batteries and see what these look like. I mean, they're cute. Okay, they are lit. They are cute. Maybe they're growing on me a little bit. They take 2 AA batteries. I don't know. It's definitely not my favorite gift, but I'm not gonna like them all. I'm not gonna like them all, and I have to understand that. We'll see. Let me think about these. Maybe they'll grow on me. They're cute. They're cute. All right. Let's talk about yesterday's item, the value. So I'm putting it at $16 for the 2 items. I did find very similar items online. The cat suction cup thing, and people have asked if I tried to wet it, and yes, I did, but I still couldn't get it to really stay. And that's okay, because that's okay. I don't really need it on the side of my machine. I'm so used to having my pincushion in the throat of the machine anyway, so it's not a big deal. But anyway, I did find, of course, that in a different color. I think it's orange. So they are using Missouri Star Quilt Company's colors for these items. But overall, I found that for around $16, the cat, and I found another wristband for around $10. And they range. There's some that are more expensive and there are some that are less. So take that with what you will. This is what I'm coming up with at $16. That brings our running total to $273.50 and gives us a balance of $73.55, or to the good, whatever, in the black, at $73.55, which I think is fantastic. Yay! Love that. Oh, let's talk duck count. Stayed the same. And I don't think there's any ducks on this either. That would have been kind of cute. But stayed the same. Other than the packaging, which I've already included. That's already included in the count from day 2. So yeah, yeah, what a flop. Oh well, you win some and you lose some. Okay, so let's guess for day 18. I'm gonna lift it up. It is a big one. So warning, warning, warning. All right, here it is. Now I am super hopeful this is a project. It's squishy. There may be some fabric in there. There's some hard things in there too. Oh, there's some noisy things. We'll have to see. I can't wait to find out. So exciting. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you're getting ready for the holidays. I hope you take some time to sew during this busy season. And I will see you tomorrow for day 18. Yay!